Are you wondering if YouTube TV offers a student discount? In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you and show you whether students can save on this popular streaming service. If you're looking for ways to cut costs while enjoying live TV, you'll want to hear this. Unfortunately, YouTube TV does not currently offer a student discount as part of its pricing plans. Unlike some services like Spotify or Amazon Prime that provide discounted rates for students, YouTube TV's standard subscription is the same price for everyone, $72.99 per month as of now. This can make it a bit pricey for students on a tight budget. That said, there are still ways to save money if you're a student. For example, you can split the cost of a YouTube TV subscription with roommates or family members since it allows up to 6 user profiles per account. Additionally, keep an eye out for promotional deals or free trial offers that YouTube TV occasionally runs, which could help lower your initial costs. If this video helped you understand whether YouTube TV offers a student discount, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.